Welcome back, folks, to Jake Weather Center. It is Friday, January 30th, and here in the Tri-States, we've got a bunch of low clouds hanging around our region. Some fog this morning lifted, but the clouds didn't fully dissipate as we headed throughout the day, and it wasn't until about 3 in the afternoon that we fully saw fog move out of the broader Columbia Basin. Now, tomorrow we are going to be seeing a return to fog. However, the densest fog is going to be in the lower Yakima Valley rather than the Columbia Basin and Columbia Gorge, with Sunnyside, Grandview, and Prosser at the highest risk for those reduced visibilities down to a quarter of a mile. The Kittitas Valley is also going to be looking at significant fog risk overnight tonight, tomorrow morning, tomorrow evening, and pretty much every morning and evening until we get to Tuesday. The Kittitas Valley as well as the Manassas Ridge will be looking at fog risk. Now, what are we looking at temperature-wise in these next couple of days? Well, we are going to be 5 to 10 degrees above average with a high temperature of about 50 degrees in Yakima, the Tri-Cities, and Walla Walla, up into the mid-50s in Hermiston and Pendleton, and even up into the upper 40s for Ellensburg, which is rather warm for this time of year. As we head throughout the weekend, we're going to be looking at mostly cloudy skies when there isn't fog, and some slight chance for a little bit of drizzle and mist in the middle of the day throughout our region as successive lines of rain eke their way over the Cascades. As we head into next week, though, we are going to be seeing a drying out with partly sunny skies returning and likely a reduction in fog as relative humidities decline next week as a ridge builds into our region. But there is going to be some chance for some stagnant air, so be sure to follow and like to stay up to date on all the latest weather in central and southeastern Washington.